Hey, what's going on? Tony here from LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com. And oh my goodness, check out this bumper cover. Holy camole. So this is a common problem with repainted cars or cars that have bad paint jobs on them from the factory. And I remember back in the 90s, Toyota had a big problem. 90s and 2000s, Toyota had a very big problem with their base coat clear coats, more in the late 90s and early 2000s. They had a lot of recalls on their paint jobs, the trucks and all of that, just peeling and flaking off like this. From what I see, this bumper cover has been painted before, because if we look down here, okay, to this chipping mark in here, we can see under this red base coat, right? The red's flaking off here. Hopefully we can get a better view. Under this red base coat is red, okay? This was the original color down here. They put base on it, and then they put clear coat on it, which is peeling off. All right, and here's a common question. Tony, can I just sand this clear coat, right, and re-clear it, you know, if it doesn't look that bad? Obviously, this is a very bad example. The answer is, heck no, you don't want to do it. Why? Because you're going to be doing the prep and sanding anyway. It is best and recommended to put a fresh coat of base coat on it, then clear it. All right? Now, this is just a very, very poorly done base coat, clear coat paint job, which resulted in major flaking like this years afterward. I don't know how old exactly this was, you know, when it was painted, but this is what it looks like. Okay, it looks like just it could be because of a cheap clear coat. It could be because they waited too long on the base coat before applying clear coat. You know, it's just, it could be a multitude of reasons, and it just peels off. So how do you fix this? What is the best way to fix something like this? Well, you got to go down. You got to sand it all the way down. You know, I would go all the way down, take off this base coat. So you would sand it. What grit would I use? I would use, this is a plastic bumper cover now. That's came off of a back of a Mazda Miata, as we can see. So what would you do? Well, I would skip the water sanding part with 400 grit because it's too fine. It's going to take forever to get down. I would actually use a 320 or maybe even a 280 to a 320 grit on a orbital sander, DA, right? And just get it all the way down. I wouldn't go all the way to plastic, but if you can cut through this red, you're going to get red coming out as dust, and get into the bottom red here, right? That's what you want to do. Then I would put a nice 2K filler primer over the whole thing after that sanding, and you can go over the plastic because some areas you're going to probably burn through to plastic, right? Then after that, you would want to put a heavy 2K, wash it down with 400 grit. By water sanding, you could even use a DA to cheat a little bit, but water sanding prevents caking on your pad. Sandpaper will last a lot longer, right? And you can get the job done. Okay, so maybe a little later, we're going to actually do this demo, and I'm going to show you, well, maybe we'll do half of the bumper cover here. Okay, this is more of a questions and what to do video, Q&A type of video. But later, we're going to cut this bumper in half, right? We're not going to literally cut it in half, but we're going to redo half of the bumper. I'm going to show you how to do it correctly, all right? And we're going to base coat and clear coat, paint it, probably a different color, but we're going to show you exactly how to do something like this. Okay, very easy. You just got to sand it down, feather it out, prime it, and paint it, all right? But I hope you gained some knowledge through this video. Please comment below. Let me know what you think. Share the video, like it, subscribe, turn on post notifications. And it's Tony here from LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com. Thank you for watching the video. And if you want to get a free 85-page auto body and paint manual that'll teach you step-by-step auto body, click on the top right of this video, which goes to a mobile tab that you can click, or if you're on a desktop right now, click down below for that link to download your free guide. Talk to you soon, guys. Thanks. Bye.